To manage Apple Pay in store, you need to start by setting it up on your device. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You can then take a photo of your credit or debit card or manually enter the card details. After adding your card, you will be asked to verify it with your bank. This may involve receiving a verification code or making a phone call to confirm your identity. Once verified, your card is ready to use with Apple Pay. To make a payment in store, look for the contactless payment symbol or the Apple Pay logo at the checkout and hold your device near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You will see a message on the screen saying payment successful, and you will also receive a receipt. You can also use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and holding the watch near the contactless reader. To manage your cards in the Wallet app, you can add or remove cards at any time, and you can also set a default card which will be used for all Apple Pay transactions. You can also view your recent transactions and get notifications when a transaction is made. It is also important to note that you can use Apple Pay in many stores and apps, and it is widely accepted in many countries around the world. To keep your Apple Pay account secure, make sure to use a passcode or Touch ID or Face ID on your device and keep your device and account information up to date. You should also be aware of your surroundings when making a payment and keep an eye on your device at all times. By following these steps, you can easily manage Apple Pay in store and make secure and convenient payments.